So today we're going to learn how to create a shallow depth of field effect in Photoshop. So first go to the layer panel, press Ctrl plus J to copy it, then go to the filter and convert for smart filter and press OK. After that again go to the filter, blur gallery and field blur just like this. Adjust this point to the forehead like this and make it 0. Again place one more here and blur will be 0 pixels. And now we're gonna create a lot of field blurs here just like here, and I'm just going to increase the pixels here like this and increasing it like this. And there are a lot of field blurs we are gonna create here just like this. And once you're satisfied, then press OK. I'm just going to create a little bit more like right here and right here just like this and press OK. And let's see the before and after result. And here is the before and here is after. And that's how you can create a shallow depth of field effect in Photoshop in just 1 minute.